Good morning to one and all. I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. In this lecture, we see fundamentals of algorithm. What is meant by algorithm? Algorithm is a fine set of instructions. Those, if followed, accomplish a particular task is not a language specific. We can use any language and any symbol to represent the instruction. In this paper, we deeply studied about this concept: introduction to algorithm, complexity analysis, divide and conquer, stars and matrix multiplication, quicksort, merge sort, binary search, finding maximum and minimum, dynamic programming, general method, multi-stage graph, traveling salesman problems, basic traversals and search technique, depth first search, breadth first search, backtracking and graph colorings. Greedy method used to find a general method, shortest path and abstract problem. NP-hard and NP-complete problem, basic concept of NP-hard and NP-complete. Introduction. What is an algorithm? Algorithm is a fine set of instructions. It is a fine set of precious instructions for performing a computation or solving a problem. A program is one type of algorithm. All programs are algorithm. Not algorithms are programs. Direction to somebody house is an algorithm. Example, a recipe for cooking a cake is an algorithm. A step to compute the cosine of 90 is an algorithm. Some algorithms are easy. Finding the largest or smallest value in a list. Finding a specific value in a list. Some algorithms are a bit harder. Sorting a list. Some algorithms are very hard. Finding a shortest path. Some algorithms are essentially impossible. Factoring large composite number. Introduction. A method and algorithm designed from one of the core practical technology of computer science. The main aim of this lecture is to familiarize the standard with the framework we shall use through the course designing and analysis of algorithms. We start with a discussion of an algorithm needs to solve computational problems. Problem of sorting is used as a running example. We introduce a pseudocode to show how we shall specify the algorithms. Algorithm. The word algorithm comes from the name of Grecian mathematician. In a computer science, this word refers to a special method reusable by a computer for solution of a problem. The statement of problem, specific in general terms, the desired input-output relationship. For example, sorting a given sequence of number into non-decreasing order provides ground for introducing many standard design techniques and analysis tool. Analysis of algorithms. The theoretical study of computer programming, performance and resource usage. What are the more important than performance? Modularity, correctness, maintainability, functionality, robustness, user-friendliness, programmer, time, simplicity, extensibility, reliability. These are all the theoretical study of computer program, perform and resource usage. Algorithms and performance. First process, algorithm help us to understand scalability. Second one, performance often draws the line between what is the feasible and what is impossible. Third one, algorithm mathematical provides a language for talking about program behavior. The lesson for program performance generalized to other computing resources. Speed is fun. Running time. What is meant by running time? The running time depends on the input. An already sorted sequence is easier to sort. Running time. Next, parameterize the running time by the size of the input, since short sequences are easier to sort than longer ones. Generally, we see upper bounds on the running time because everybody likes a guarantee. Kindness of analysis. There are three types. First one, worst case, usually. Second one, average case, sometimes. Third one, best case, cheat with slow algorithms. First, worst case, usually using a total maximum time of algorithm of an input of a size n. Average case using a sometimes, total of n. Expected time of algorithm, overall input of size n. Neat assumptions of statistical distribution of input. Best case, cheat with a slow algorithm that works fast on some input. Mission dependent time. Mission dependent time is important to run a process. First one, RAM model. Mission dependent algorithm depends on hypothetical computer called random access memory to use to design the algorithm. Assumptions. Simple operations such as operators etc. takes exactly one time step. Loops and subroutines are not considered simple operations. Each memory access takes exactly one time speed. Next is pseudocode. This type of code is called pseudocode and it is used to represent the logic of any code in a language independent way. We can easily implement this logic in any language for our choice. However, code in some of the languages like C, C++, Java and Python are also provided along with the pseudocode. In this course, we will be using the following conventions for pseudocode to follow the algorithm steps. Next, what are the criteria of an algorithm? There are 5 criteria of an algorithm. First one, input. Input 0 or more inputs are externally supplied to the algorithm. Next process, output. Output, at least one output is produced by an algorithm. Definiteness. Each instruction is clearly specified. Finiteness. In an algorithm, it will be terminated after a finite number of steps for all the different cases. Effectiveness. Each instruction must be very basic, so the purpose of those instructions must be very clear to us. Thank you.